Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why your Samsung TV light is flashing and what that blinking light is actually trying to tell you. So this type of blinking standby light on the Samsung TV often acts like an error indicator. For example, a few quick flashes may happen normally during the setup. If you are seeing continuous blinking, it can point to the power issues. The repeated flashing with no picture may indicate the hardware problems. So the exact behavior can vary depending on the TV model. So one hidden cause of the flashing light is the faulty HDMI device. So you need to disconnect any type of gaming console or USB devices or soundbars, and then you need to try turning the TV on again with nothing connected except the power. Now sometimes a bad HDMI handshake can freeze the TV during the boot. After doing so, you just have to simply unplug your TV completely from the wall outlet. While it is unplugged, you can also hold your TV's power button and then you can just hold it for about 30 seconds. This also going to drain the leftover electrical charges and it can also reset the temporary system problems. After waiting another more minute, you just have to plug the TV back in and then you need to test it again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.